Alright, everybody, make some noise! Before we do the photo of the whole group, Delhi, I find love with you, yeah? And I'm sure you're in love with Big Bazaar. Anything you want to say?
सारे पीछे पड़े यार मेरे ऊपर बैठ गया
It's such a good place, I think especially for families. My favorite counter is those toy counter. I love toys. And they have all different kinds of toys. They have all different kinds of healthy food, which I was very surprised to see because there are a lot of options. They have clothes, they have everything. So I think it's a proper Sunday family place. Like you go there and you'll end up buying everything. That's very, very amazing. Also, it's very international. I've never seen something like this in India. I think it's the first time they have a food corner also where you can eat and buy. And you know what, Disha? That was something you were talking about it. But last night that we actually did a contest online. And it's time that we actually reveal the winners of that contest. The lucky winners who get a chance to take a selfie with you.
I really would like to thank our sound guys. My voice is like something okay. So So we had an activity at Big Bazaar, and the activity was guess the celebrity for the launch. And we have the winners here with us. They are request Nachiket Kashyap. Nachiket Kashyap, if you're here with us, I request you to please be here as on stage. Now, then we have Mr. Shyam Bhagat. Mr. Shyam Bhagat. Mr. Nitin Bhardwaj.
Okay, do we have Miss Archana? Miss Archana Bharat? Oh, she's right! So we have one lucky winner. And, okay. And we have Keerti right here. Alright, so we have two lucky winners here. And I think we have a few more to go. Right?
Alright, so we also had another activity that's tag your friends and take a selfie. Paulani Sarkar.
one selfie क्यों करेंगे
May I request Piyush Puri. May I request Virat Singh.
And we also have
These are our players.